Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
A color card gives a reliable reference for exposure, white balance, and color calibration when shooting video. Use an 18% gray patch, a white patch, and a black patch on a standard color card. Position the card so it receives the same light as your subject. Place the card at camera height and orient it square to the lens. Record a short clip or capture a still of the card under the intended lighting and note the time, lens, camera settings, and any filters you used for later reference. When shooting a reference, fill the frame with the color card so each patch is recorded with good pixel information. Fill the frame with the color card when capturing a reference shot. Adjust aperture and lighting so the gray patch sits near middle gray exposure. Keep camera exposure near normalized values. Use zebra or histogram to avoid clipping. Capture at the native ISO and intended shutter angle or 1/48 for 24 fps, and avoid in-camera processing like contrast or sharpening to preserve raw color data for grading. Import the reference clip or still into your editing software and start by neutralizing color cast using the gray patch. Sample the 18% gray and adjust white balance to achieve neutral RGB values. Next, set exposure using the white and black patches. Use the white patch to set exposure so highlights retain detail but do not clip, and use the black patch to ensure correct shadow floor without noise. After neutralization, apply a camera LUT or creative grade. Always compare the final grade to the reference shot to maintain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.